Hi, welcome to SMAC's online video tutorials. In this tutorial we will introduce you to the listings engine. This is different from web pages, news and blog. Listings has far more containers for data. As well, you can convert your listings to allow customers to purchase items. You've got far more scope on what to do. You've got category containers for your listings as well, so you can search for your listings within categories. You can assign a type of listing. You can got extensive setup of the categories, search results, etc. We'll go into each area of the listings in other tutorials, but this tutorial is an introduction to listings. So listings is items that you list, and these items are contained within categories. You can change the text, my listings, you can call it whatever you like, my products, my items for sale. It's up to you. We're calling this my listings to be general, and in our listings we've got all sorts of items. We've got let's have a look. We got some jeans, pizzas, items for sale. We got some items here for booking, which we'll look at in the e-commerce area, and we have our categories. So if you can see, we've got, let's say, look at reserved doctor. We can see this doctor is within a category reservations medical. So each listing will be contained within one of these categories. So this is how we locate our listings. So we have to assign each listing a category. We can search by categories as well here to see exactly which category a listing belongs to. Each listing can be e-commerce turned off if you have that activated, and we can see listings in a calendar view. We'll look at that in another tutorial. Let's have a look to see what our listings look like. Let's have a look at our website, my listings. So this is my listings here. These are my categories. So I can click that, hire a tool, and it jumps to that. This will all look at this in far more detail. And this is my listing type. We've got product categories here as well. Got advanced search to search our listings. So we've got everything we need. We've got our listing. Here's a listing to purchase. Listings are using layouts. So this would be the data entry point where we enter our data for a listing. We've got our image, we've got a bit of text, we've got all sorts of things. And this data, we then use layouts to use this data to make a nice layout. There's loads and loads of presets you can choose. Search your results, you've got listing deed, loads and loads of presets that uses the data that you enter and creates a lovely page. And this is how we do it in here. So we'll look at that in another tutorial. So there you can see how listings is differentiated between these three items here. Blog is just a straightforward list. There's no categories in blog. News is exactly the same as blog, straight list of items. Web pages is a little bit different. You have a page that contains data or a link, and then we have our listings, which are more advanced features in each of these, plus each of these items needs to be contained in a category. So we don't have that here for news and blog. We don't have categories, but listings we do. Web pages, we don't have categories. And I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Just an introduction, and we'll go into the detail next. Thank you for watching.